Hello everyone. Actually, one of my subscribers gifted me this. This person means that 2026 is going to be a great year, a year of massive breakthrough, a year of great impact. Yes, that is what 2026 represents. So one of my subscribers actually gifted me this, and I'm not taking it for granted. This is to show that indeed my impact has at least touch lives. And this is just a testament that it pays to be consistent on whatever you are doing, and it pays to be who you are, to be unique. Anyways, that is not the purpose of this video. So I just want to show you this so that maybe if you're a small creator out there, do not lack motivation, do not give up, because actually people are seeing you. Even though it's only one person that you are having right now viewing your content, definitely that alone is something. So do not give up. So today I'm going to show you how to add your real voice, I mean your natural voice, to Grok AI without wasting time. How to add your real voice to Grok AI videos, something like this.
Welcome to Victoria Utin's channel. Here I teach you how to use AI and smart.
Amazing, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that in this particular tutorial. So let's get started without wasting time. So I'm going to be making use of my phone to show you how you can get that done. So in case you have seen me looking at my phone, just know that yes, I'm using my phone to do that. Just go to Play Store or Apple Store and then search for Grok. Once you search for Grok, go ahead to install it to your phone and then sign up with it. It is very simple to do that. So once you do that, come over to and open, and then this is how the interface of your Grok is going to look like. So you come over to the part that is written imaging. So click on it. Once you click on it, go ahead to bring in any video, any image that you want to turn into a video. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to bring in image that I want to turn into a video. So I'm going to click down here to be able to access my gallery. So here is the image that I want to turn into a video. So what I have to do is for me to just kindly go ahead to type create a realistic talking head. Okay, one thing about Grok AI, if you don't switch off your auto generate video in your settings, it will auto generate your video immediately you bring in any image. Okay, so you can see here, let's see what actually Grok AI is generating using the auto generate image. You can see that it's actually clapping because of the position of my hand. So let me just send, because I really need this so as to be able to put in my voice, yes, to make it become a video. So you wait for it to count from 1 to 100%. So while we are waiting, please, if you haven't liked this video, go ahead to like and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, do well to share this video.
Welcome to our team. I'm excited to share our vision for the future.
You can see that I did not even prompt Grok AI to say something. I just needed that expression so that once I bring in my voice, it will be able to give me what I want. So you can see that. So that doesn't matter. So what you have to do is for you to kindly mute the sound from here, because we don't actually need the sound at all. So I'm going to click on the video to highlight. Then I'm going to come down here where this arrow is facing downward to download the video. Just click on it to download the video. It is as simple as that. So once you download your video, let's move on to the next step of making our video, our image, to actually talk using our real natural voice. So let's move on to the next step. So the next step is for you to go to Play Store or Apple Store and then search for DreamFace. Okay, that is the next app that we are going to make use of. So once you search for DreamFace, kindly go ahead to sign up with it using your Google account. So I'm going to click on it. This is how the interface is going to look like. So just go ahead to click on allow. Once you click on allow, you can see DreamFace has so many icons and so many tools that you can use to do whatever you want to do. We have AI filter, we have enhance, we have magic effects, we have dream act, and a lot of other things. We even have avatar talk and sing, we have video image to vid, and then we have image generate. Okay, so for the sake of this particular tutorial, we are going to be making use of avatar talk/sync. So click on it. So once you click on that, you just have to come over to...
I am a DreamFace digital avatar.
You just have to come over to this plus icon here, click on it. Once you click on the plus icon, click on allow all so that you can be able to access your gallery. So I'm going to go ahead to bring in the video that I downloaded from Grok, remember. So this is the video. Then I'm going to confirm, click on confirm. So that is the video. You can see there's no sound because I muted that sound on Grok. So once you bring in your image, just kindly come over to where you have want avatar to say or sync. So once you come over here, click on it and then go ahead to click on import. You can as well record. You can as well click on record if you want to record your voice direct here. But I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to only import. Okay, so I'm going to import from files. I'm going to click on from files. So before now I had already recorded my voice, okay, what I want to say. So I'm going to click on it. So you wait. You can as well play to confirm if it is actually...
Welcome to Victoria Otin's...
Yes, if it is actually the voice that you want to use, the recording that you want to use. So I'm going to play.
Here I teach you how to use AI and smart edit.
Yes, that is what I used in the beginning of this video. That is actually the video that I used. So I'm going to click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you wait for it to generate. Okay, so click on animate. Once you do that, click on animate. So wait for it to bring in the, like, to merge the voice in your video. So you have to wait for it to count from 0 to 100%. So you wait for it to count. So while we are waiting, please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Yes, like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also share this video, share, and also drop your comments in the comment section. So let's wait for it to generate. I'm going to pause this video and then come back once it's done generating, so that I'm not going to waste your time. Okay, it's counting to 99%. So you wait for it to finish with 100%. So let's wait to see the results. Let's wait to see if it will give us exactly what we want. Okay, let's wait.
Welcome to Victoria Otin's channel. Here I teach you how to use AI and smart editing tools to create high quality videos, automate your workflow, and grow a successful faceless YouTube channel. If this sounds helpful, please like this video and subscribe before we begin.
You can see that. You can see that. That is how to add your real natural voice to your Grok AI videos. It is as simple as that. And I hope you found this video helpful. You can see this comes with a watermark. So if you can as well remove this watermark. If you are in a paid version, you can remove this watermark, or you can use CapCut to remove the watermark. Okay. So you see, once you click to remove the watermark, it will take you to where you can pay for the tool. So you can as well pay for it because it's worth it, but you can as well download the video and then thereafter you go to chat, you go to CapCut and remove the watermark. So that is how to add your real voice to your Grok AI videos. I hope you found it helpful. Do not forget to give a like, subscribe to this channel, and do what to share this video with another creator. Try as much as possible to drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you found this helpful. Let me know if there is any video you want me to come up with next time. Drop in the comment section. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Welcome to Victoria Otin's channel. Here I teach you how to use AI and smart editing tools to create high quality videos, automate your workflow, and grow a successful faceless YouTube channel. If this sounds helpful, please like this video and subscribe before we begin.